What's up, automotive enthusiasts? Today, we're talking about a car that's not just another sports car. It's a statement. It's a farewell. It's the Lotus Emira, and it's arguably one of the most important new cars from a legendary British marque. Today, we're diving deep into its stunning design, thrilling performance, and why this car truly matters for the future of driving. The Emira is simply gorgeous. Lotus has distilled the essence of their hypercar, the Evija, into a more accessible mid-engine sports car. You see those fluid surfaces, the crisp feature lines, the dramatic intakes and vents? It's all there, meticulously sculpted. This car has genuine supercar presence, especially those wide hips. It's aggressive, yet elegant, and every line serves a purpose, typical Lotus design, focused on aerodynamics and performance. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that's a massive leap forward for Lotus. While still driver-focused, it's now genuinely refined and comfortable. Gone are the days of stripped-out minimalist interiors. Here, you get premium materials, physical buttons for climate control, yes, thank you, Lotus, and a sleek, modern layout. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster changes themes with your drive mode, and a sharp 10.25-inch central touchscreen integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now, let's talk about what makes a Lotus, the driving experience. The Emira comes with a choice of two fantastic engines. First up, the familiar, characterful 3.5-liter supercharged V6 sourced from Toyota, found in the beloved Exige and Evora. This engine delivers a fantastic 400 horsepower and a thrilling soundtrack. Then we have the new to Lotus 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine from Mercedes AMG. This isn't just a transplant, it's been specifically tuned by Lotus to deliver a punchy 360 horsepower or 400 horsepower in the Turbo SE variant. And incredible responsiveness, all paired exclusively with a lightning-fast 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, DCT. Regardless of the engine, the Emira retains Lotus's legendary handling prowess. Built on a lightweight bonded aluminum chassis, it's incredibly stiff and responsive. The steering is hydraulically assisted, giving you pure, unfiltered feedback from the road, a rarity in today's electric power steering world. So, why does the Lotus Emira matter so much? Because this is the last internal combustion engine sports car from Lotus. Yes, you heard that right. As Lotus transitions to an all-electric future with models like the Electra SUV and the Evija hypercar, the Emira stands as a magnificent final hurrah to their glorious petrol-powered past. The Lotus Emira isn't just a car, it's a celebration of petrol-powered performance, a testament to Lotus's engineering brilliance and a poignant farewell to an era.